In this video, we'll show you how you can avail of the free online training from TESDA that can give you skills to help you find a job and earn money. If you want to get updates on our new uploads, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell so you'll be notified when we have new content. Thanks, and let's get rolling. Here's the list of available courses and the steps on how to enroll. Here's how to enroll to the TESDA online courses. First, you need to sign up for a TESDA online program account. Create your username and password, and provide a valid email address. Fill out the rest of the personal information fields that are required in this sign-up form, and then click on Create My New Account button to submit the form. After submitting the form, you will be instructed to check your email to verify your account. This is the content of the email that you'll receive from TESDA. Click on the link to verify your account. Your account has been verified. You can now log in using the username and password you provided during sign-up. To log in, click on the Login button found at the top right corner of the page. This will open the login form. Enter your username and password, and click Login. This is what you'll see after you log in. You need to fill out all the required fields in your profile before you can enroll to any course. After providing all the required information, click on Update Profile to save all your data. This is what you'll see after updating your profile. Click on Courses to select and enroll to any course offered in the TESDA online program. For demo purposes, we will enroll to the Introduction to Organic Agriculture course. Click the Enroll button. This will display the details of the course. Then click the Enroll Me button to proceed with the enrollment. After enrolling to the chosen course, you now have access to the contents of the course. Take note that this is a self-paced online learning platform. You can watch the videos for the courses you're enrolled to at your own convenient time. If you don't have a laptop or computer to use, you can also use your smartphones to complete the course. Just download the TESDA online program app and install in your phone, so you can conveniently watch the course content. This mobile app is available for both Android and Apple devices. Thanks for watching. We hope this video can guide you when enrolling to the TESDA online program courses, to help you gain additional knowledge and skills that you need to find a job or start a business. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell so you'll get notified when we have new content. See you soon!